Do you love the taste of fresh, homegrown vegetables? Me too. But sometimes our gardens produce more than we can eat at once. That's where cool storage comes in. It's a simple way to extend the life of your harvest and enjoy your hard-earned bounty for longer. Cool storage slows down the natural deterioration process of fruits and vegetables. This means your produce stays fresher, tastier, and more nutritious for weeks or even months longer than if left at room temperature. Imagine biting into a crisp carrot in December, thanks to your cool storage skills. Cool storage isn't just about preserving flavor. It's also about reducing food waste. By storing our vegetables properly, we can minimize spoilage and make the most of our harvests. This is good for our wallets and the environment. Ready to unlock the power of cool storage? Let's get started. The key to successful cool storage is finding the right location in your home. The ideal spot should be cool, dark, and well ventilated. Think of it as creating a mini root cellar environment for your precious produce. A cool, dark basement is often the best choice. Basements naturally maintain cooler temperatures year-round, especially in the fall and winter. A cool corner of a garage or an unheated spare room can also work well. Avoid areas exposed to direct sunlight or heat sources like furnaces or water heaters. These can cause temperature fluctuations that will shorten the storage life of your vegetables. Good ventilation is crucial to prevent moisture buildup and mold growth. Look for a spot with some natural airflow or consider adding a small fan to circulate the air. Now that you've found the perfect spot, it's time to gather your supplies. The good news is that building a DIY cool storage system doesn't require fancy materials or expensive equipment. You'll need some basic building materials like plywood or boards, a saw, a drill, screws, and a measuring tape. For insulation, consider using rigid foam insulation boards, which are readily available at most hardware stores. Don't forget about storage containers. Plastic crates, wooden boxes, and even old drawers can be repurposed as storage bins for your vegetables. Choose containers that are sturdy, stackable, and easy to clean. Finally, you'll need a thermometer and a hygrometer to monitor the temperature and humidity levels inside your cool storage space. This will help you create the optimal storage conditions for different types of vegetables. Building your cool haven, a step-by-step guide. Building your DIY cool storage space is easier than you might think. Here's a simple step-by-step guide to get you started. First, measure the dimensions of your chosen location and cut the plywood or boards to size to create the walls, floor, and ceiling of your storage space. Next, use the saw and screws to assemble the frame of your storage unit. Make sure it's sturdy and level. Then, cut the rigid foam insulation boards to fit snugly within the frame of the walls, ceiling, and floor. Secure them in place with screws or construction adhesive. After that, cut a piece of plywood to size for the door and attach it to the frame using hinges. Add a latch or handle to keep the door securely closed. Next, install shelves or use storage bins to organize your vegetables. Leave some space between shelves and bins for air circulation. Finally, place the thermometer and hygrometer inside the storage space to monitor the temperature and humidity levels. The Climate Control Center, Temperature and Humidity. Congratulations! Your DIY cool storage space is complete. Now it's time to create the ideal climate for your vegetables. Different vegetables have different storage requirements, so it's important to understand the basics of temperature and humidity control. Most root vegetables, like potatoes, carrots, and beets, prefer cool temperatures between 32 and 40 degrees Fahrenheit, or 0 to 4 degrees Celsius, and moderate humidity levels around 90 to 95%. Cooler temperatures and higher humidity help prevent these vegetables from shriveling or sprouting. Other vegetables, like onions, garlic, and winter squashes, prefer slightly warmer temperatures around 50 to 60 degrees Fahrenheit, or 10 to 15 degrees Celsius, and lower humidity levels around 60 to 70%. Warmer temperatures and lower humidity help prevent these vegetables from rotting or molding. You can adjust the temperature and humidity inside your cool storage space by adding or removing ventilation. Opening the door slightly on cool nights can help lower the temperature, while adding a bowl of water can increase humidity. Keeping it fresh and clean maintenance tips. Maintaining your DIY cool storage space is just as important as building it. Regular cleaning and inspection will help keep your vegetables fresh and prevent spoilage. Inspect your stored vegetables regularly for signs of spoilage, such as soft spots, mold, or discoloration. Remove any damaged vegetables immediately to prevent the spread of decay to other produce. Clean the storage space thoroughly at least once a year, or more often if needed. Remove all vegetables and shelves or bins. Sweep or vacuum the floor and wipe down all surfaces with a mild bleach solution to kill any mold or bacteria. Check the temperature and humidity levels regularly and make adjustments as needed. Ensure that the storage space is well ventilated to prevent moisture buildup and mold growth. Please share your storage secrets. Congratulations! You're now well on your way to becoming a cool storage pro, preserving your garden's bounty and enjoying delicious homegrown vegetables all year round. Do you have any tried and true tips or tricks for storing vegetables? Have you built your own DIY cool storage space? Share your experiences and connect with fellow gardeners in the comments below.